My name is Melissa Corniel. I'm a gas troubleshooter. I fix gas leaks, respond to gas leaks. Natural gas is a great product for your home. It's clean, it's efficient, it's economical. You only have, one line coming into your house with the gas, and it's branched off to different appliances. Gas is actually colorless and odorless, but we do put a smelling agent into the gas. It's called mercaptan, and it smells like rotten eggs. There's two types of gas leaks. One is a minor gas leak where you may just be smelling the gas and you're smelling it faintly, and it's just a warning to give us a call so we can come out and fix it. So if you think you're smelling gas by the appliance, you should check to make sure that your pilot is lit. If your pilot isn't lit, that's why you're having that gas come out of there. I get to a house a lot of time and I ask them, how long have you been smelling this? And they'll tell me for a year or for a month, and it boggles my mind. Don't wait a couple of months or a couple of hours even. As soon as you're smelling it and it's not something that you could fix immediately, call us so that we can fix it. If you're smelling a strong odor of gas, that's a danger. Leave it alone, take a step outside, don't go back in until we get there. You do not want to turn on or off any lights. You do not want to use your phone in the house. A cell phone, a home phone, a lighter, a match, an electrical switch, a light switch can be a source of ignition. When you go across the street to your neighbors, that's when you can use your phone and call our company from there. The gas emergency number is 1-800-533-5325. Phone lines are open 24/7, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Please contact us. I love coming out, making sure that you're okay, making sure that I keep you and your family safe.